Hi, Stinky Pants. Hi, Stink. Hi, Stink. What are you wearing? You wearing your Bones costume? Can you say Bones? Yeah, that's right. Say, I wear my bones. Yeah, say, I got big bones. Say, I'm not fat, I'm big bone. Yeah. What? What? What do you gotta say? You say bones? Say bones. Yeah. Say, I got big bones. Yeah. I got it. Say, I got it. Oh. Say big bones.
Jack, tell Daddy how old you are. How old are you? Are you 15 weeks old? Yesterday? Yay! Yay!
Say, look at my bones. Ah. Can we get a fake cough?
You're a stinker. You're a stinker.
Hey, can you say, look at me. Say, I'm a skeleton. Say, I'm a skeleton. I'm all skin and bones. Say, I'm all skin and bones. Say, Mom and Dad don't feed me. Say, Mom and Dad don't feed me. Hi. Hi. Say, I just made a big poop and I had to say, what was that? What was that? What? Did you surprise yourself with those big noises? You're not in trouble. It's okay. Oh.
Oh. Oh, buddy.
What's wrong, Stinky? Stink, what's wrong?
What are you doing? Why are you pouting? What are you doing?
Oh, poor little guy. Poor little guy. Can you say hi to Nana and Papa? Say hi. Hi. Can you say hi to Marin and Keller? Say hi. Can you say hi to Noah and Gwen? Say hi. Say hi, Noah, Gwen. Well, he knows Noah's a troublemaker. You say hi? You say hi to Aunt Lindsay and Uncle Jim? And say hi to Aunt Katie and Uncle Jeff? Say hi to Aunt Katie and Uncle Jeff. Hey. Say hi to Aunt Katie and Uncle Jeff. Say hi to Aunt Laura. Say hi to Aunt Laura. Oh, yes, you like Aunt Laura. Say hi to Uncle Gert and then Renee.
And Andy O'Brien. You are nasty.
Say hi to Garrett, Uncle Renee. Uncle Garrett and Aunt Renee. Say hi.
Say my dad stinks.
Say no, I stink.
Yeah.
All right. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye.